how to determine if the principal root is rational or irrational. Find out in this video. Good day, learners! Today we're going to discuss classifying principal and roots as rational or irrational numbers. But before that, let's review what is a rational number and irrational number. So rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as quotient of two integers, such that the denominator is not equal to 0. While on the other hand, irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed as a quotient of two integers. So, ito lang yung tatandaan natin. If the radicand is a perfect nth power, then the root of the given radical is rational. If not, then it is irrational. So, let's have the following examples. Determine whether the principal roots of the following is rational or irrational. So again, yung tatandaan lang natin, masasabi natin yung principal root is rational pag yung given radical natin is a perfect nth power. Pero pag hindi naman, then the principal root of our given is irrational. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng perfect nth power? So pag sinabi natin perfect nth power, let us say the square root of 36. So square root of 36 is a perfect nth power kasi siya ay perfect square, in which yung principal root niya is 6. While square root of 13 is not a perfect nth power kasi yung radical na 13 is not a perfect square. Okay, so let's have example number 1. Square root of 25. So we all know that 25 is a perfect square. And if we're going to get the principal root of square root of 25, we have 5 as our answer. So since yung 25, again, yung radical yung titignan natin. So since yung 25 is a perfect nth power of 2, then our principal root na 5 is rational. Okay. How about yung pangalawang example? The cube root of 29. So, tatanungin natin yung sarili natin, yung 29 ba is a perfect cube? Meron bang integer na pag imumultiply sa kanyang sarili 3 times magiging equal to 29? Okay, wala. Therefore, 29 is not a perfect nth power or not a perfect cube. So, we are expecting na kung ano man yung magiging principal root niya would be an irrational number. Okay, how about number 4? We have fourth root of 625. So, ano yung fourth root ni 625? That is equal to 5. Okay? So, yung principal root niya is 5. Now, since may number na pag imumultiply natin sa kanyang sarili 4 times, makukuha natin yung 625, we can say na yung 625 is a perfect nth power. So, since 625 is a perfect nth power, so, yung principal root niya will be a rational number. Now, how about number 4? We have fifth root of negative 32. So, yung fifth root ng negative 32 is equal to negative 2. Kasi yung negative 2, pag imumultiply natin sa kanyang sarili, 5 times, the answer is negative 32. So, since may principal root siya na negative 2, therefore, we can say that negative 32 or yung radicand na negative 32 is a perfect nth power. Okay? Is a perfect fifth root. Okay? So, our principal root is rational. Now, how about the last example? Cube root of 225. So, may number ba na pag imumultiply natin sa kanyang sarili, 5 times magiging 225? Wala. Okay? Kasi pag 15 times 15, that is automatically 225. So, dalawang beses lang. In this case, tatlong beses kasi nga, yung index natin is equal to 3. Therefore, walang number or walang integer na pag imumultiply sa kanyang sarili 3 times would be equal to 225. Therefore, yung radical natin na 225 is not a perfect and power or not a perfect cube. So it follows kung ano man yung magiging principal root niya, it would be an irrational number. Now it's your turn. Try to answer the following questions. And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Ninyo. And you can also post your math problems in the comment section. And we will do our very best to provide solution to your questions. Because remember, every problem has a solution. At kung math ang problema ninyo, ako ang kaagapay ninyo, ako ang Sir Ninyo.